Hi, y'all. How's everybody doing? Well, I am doing great. It's a rainy day today. Light sprinkles to heavy sprinkles all day long. I love it. Today we are playing with, or we did play with, Doreen's kit. Let me see if I have any papers left. This is the Biscotti silk kit, the clutch folio. And here's another one that's printed out on canvas and some on paper and some on cardstock. But I got a lot of pieces left to play with. But, right there. All right, so it's a clutch. And look at that. We layered a couple of things here. And then as I was going through what I have, I seen this and that had to go on there. I just love that. I want another one of these. It's so pretty. And I don't know where I got it from. And then here's the back. This is printed on canvas. And as we lift it up, we have a beautiful applique here with one of the flowers, canvas flowers from the kit. And then we have a beautiful applique and some lace here along the top. Excuse me. I'm still a little sick. Can we see it all? Can you see the top? And then in the middle we have a pocket. This is a canvas pocket. And we have a flower applique here. And then this is from the kit. And it's all from these right here. Aren't those pretty? And when you look at them, it looks real. And then we just have a couple of things. It's a nice big pocket, isn't that? We have, this is on cardstock, and then this is canvas. So we have a couple of things in there. And then you have your bottom pocket, which has two half circle pockets. And we have an applique on this with some sequins. And we have a few things in here. I thought I had 3 things in there. That one fits right across. Isn't that pretty? And I rounded the corners on all the cardstock, but that is so pretty. So there we go. That's what I made. It was fun. I had fun making it. And I think I'm going to cut up all the pieces and put them in here. And then use them for other projects. And I'll have them all cut up, ready to go. Yeah, so there we go. Easy to make, great kit. Another idea about the kit that I had was to not have these pockets in here and to stitch this closed. And then, you know, have it a clutch that way. And then you'll have a nice big pocket here. Wouldn't that look nice? Decorate this up here. Have a nice big pocket right here to maybe put some appliques, store some appliques in. That's a good idea, isn't it? Maybe I'll make another one and store my smaller appliques in there. Because Lord knows I need to put something else. I need my appliques in something else. They have outgrown the box that they're in. So I think I'll make another one of these. It's a very beautiful kit. And I had a lot of fun with this. So that is Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Check her out on Etsy, Facebook, and YouTube. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.